So now that we've got these different bookmarks, accessories, bikes, clothing and components, and we've got the smart narrative that reacts as we switch between each bookmark, it would be really handy to actually create a number of buttons that allowed us to easily move between the bookmarks without having to use the bookmarks pane that we've turned on under View in the ribbon. So on the sales analysis page, we could go and create a button for each of these 4 bookmarks. We could go insert and we could choose buttons and we could choose a blank button. And we've sort of used that before where we've controlled the action in previous videos. You could also just insert an image and then assign an action to that image, and so we've done that in previous videos as well. But what I want to do is I want to actually go through Insert and through Buttons and through Navigator and not create a page navigator, which we've done in earlier courses, but actually do a bookmark navigator. And so when I click that, I get this navigator here with 4 buttons because I've got 4 bookmarks, and I can resize it accordingly. So I'm able to actually hold the control key and go to accessories or go to bikes or go to clothing or go to components. So a bookmark navigator is also very handy, and we looked at that in an earlier course when we were making a page navigator. Just to refresh your memory, let me just bring this in and say I went to go to Insert Buttons, Navigator, Page Navigator. Well, then this is a object, which I can resize, which has buttons for all the different pages. And again, remember that you can go to the format and you can go to grid layout and you can change whether it's horizontal or vertical. You can change the spacing between the buttons, increase it or decrease it, or you can even choose a grid layout. A grid layout where you say you want 2 rows or 3 rows, however many rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 8 buttons. So let's go for 2 by 4. That sort of thing. And again, you can resize it, etc. So that's a way of navigating between the pages, and this is a way of navigating between the bookmarks. So those navigators are quite good. And if I want to get rid of it, I'll just click it and hit the delete key and it's gone. So think about when you create your bookmarks and your smart narrative to match those bookmarks, if you then also want a bookmark navigator to allow them to see different things.